What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today is cover today's session and go right into tomorrow's game plan. But man, oh man, oh man, shout out to any one of you that caught today's plays and was able to execute and make some money on there. We threw some bangers out there today. Let's go ahead and start it with Palantir. But guys, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. First ticker up is going to be Palantir. They had a little crazy day. They popped it up, came back down, popped it all the way back up to 32.60, and then, man, they got smacked. They kind of lost VWAP right here, my blue line. And I tell you, if they lose VWAP, what's to happen? They're going to head into that downtrend, and that's what they did. And I told y'all a while back, my blue VWAP line is bold and my white line is bold, because to me, those are the direction setters. Once we in the downtrend and we headed towards that 200, expect that rejection off of it. And that's exactly what they did. They ran into it. Boom. Ran that thing all the way back up to VWAP. Chopped a little bit. Boom. Ran it back up. We're sitting at 32.50 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see this level over here at 32.60 get taken out. They can break through 32.60. You want to see this level next get taken out. 32.75. They break through that, they're going to start running up. You're going to start seeing 33 and higher. If you are a bear, you want to see the first chef level at 32.30 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. You got another level at 32.10. They break that. This is the one you want to see them take out, 31.80. They can take out 31.80. They're coming back down. It's going to be a rough day for Palantir. Let's jump into our next one. We'll go into INTC. What they did, they popped it right from the start. Boom. Came back down. Boom. Ran that thing to 21.60. They got smacked down here, and then they just kind of chopped all the way up into power hour, where they had that little boom. We're sitting at 21.52. If you are a bull, you want to see 21.65 get taken out. They can take out 21.65. They can start running back up to the higher stuff. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right here at 21.30 get taken out. They can take out 21.30. They're going to start pulling back down to this lower stuff. We'll handle in real time. If that happens, let's go into our next ticker. We're going to hit Nike. All right. If you see with Nike, Nike had a little crazy day too. They popped that thing from the beginning. You see? Boom. They popped that thing. I told you guys 84 was going to be heavy for us to get through. We get through that level, we're going to see the higher stuff, 85, 87. But they got smacked right back down. We tried to run it back up. They got smacked again. You see that blue line? That's VWAP. If they cannot hold above VWAP, we coming back down. And that's exactly what they did. They came down to 82.90. I think I got an area over here at 82.80. Where I said once they start losing 82.80, then they're going to try to change that trend back in Nike to the bear sentiment. If you see, they popped it back up to VWAP, got smacked right back down at VWAP. Tried to run it up again, they got smacked right back down. If you are a bull in Nike, you want to see this top right here at 83.70 get taken out. Guess where we coming back to test? $84. You got to be patient with these plays. Watch for price action. Watch and see if they start taking out these zones. If they start taking out these zones, they headed to the higher stuff. But you got to respect the downtrend as well. You are a bear. You want to see this level right here at 82.90 get taken out. They can take out 82.90. They coming back down to test 82.75. They break through 82.75. They coming back down to this stuff right here, 82.30, and they're going to try to shoot their shot to try to bring this back down to 80 area and lower. We'll handle in real time if it gets to that point right there. All right, guys, those are newbie plays, the beginner plays. We're going to move on to the big boy stuff. We're going to start with Nvidia. And I told you guys where this play was going to go in the beginning this morning in my announcement section. I told you if once we broke 125, we was coming to 127. We were going to 130. And we're sitting at 130 right now. Man, look at this beautiful move right here. This is crazy. From the start, boom, they ran it back down to VWAP, couldn't hold VWAP. My 9 EMA, man, that's the truth for me. That's what I play. And they held the 9 most of the day, and they ran this thing up. This was the break that I was talking about right here, 125.65. They brought it back down, but then they, boom, ran that thing 127.65, came down a little bit more. Boom, ran that thing 129.30. We're sitting at 130 right now. Guys, if you are a bull, you want to see us open up at 130. We can start opening it up at 130. They're going to shoot this thing to 130, 150, 133, 135, 137, and that 140 number. Be cautious in these plays right here because we know what the market can do to us. They can bring us back. So if you are a bear, you want to see us open somewhere around 128.60. If we can open at 128.60, they're going to try to swing this thing back down here to 126.50. Bears start getting confidence there. We coming back down to this area in here. If that happens, we'll handle in real time and we'll crush that play in real time. Let's go to our next one. We gonna go to, let's check out AMD. AMD went bananas today. You see how they started. Boom. They didn't waste no time. We went from 147 to 152. They dropped it back down and boom, boomed it again. We're sitting right in this area around 154.08. Came back down and boom, boomed it again. We sitting at 155.30 right now. If you are a bull tomorrow, you want to see I got a level at 155.85 to get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to start running a lot higher. And they start taking out this area, 157.40. They're going to boom this thing all the way up to 159.55. If you are a bear, you want to see 154.30 get taken out. They can take out 154.30. They can start swinging this thing back down to this area, 151.87. They break 151, let's say 151.80. They break that, we're going to come back down to where we started at yesterday. And guys, we're going to close this thing off with my baby. We're going to hit SPY. SPY, man, I called this play around noon. Told y'all what this play was going to do. I gave you the play for you guys that wanted to trim down and get out in profit. I told you it was going to be some turbulence to get here, but that's where the bulls had their eyes at. We came out. Boom. They dropped it down, scared everybody. I had a play in there. I told y'all it was going to come back down, but I knew bulls was going to pop this thing back up, and that's exactly what they did. And once they got rolling after that, man, I think we had this little scare right here, but after that, boom, boom, ran that thing up, came down, and then power hour is where the magic started at. I told you guys this thing was going to 559.50. Put it out there, and man, that's exactly what this thing did. Put this thing out, SPY update. Bulls take out 556.95. We go into 557.05. Heavy level. Turbulence after that till about 557.95. Consider taking profits if you are still in calls at 57.05. I said, however, if you are greedy, then after the turbulence, the bulls target, they will try to head for the level at 559.50 level. Good luck. And a lot of you guys held through that craziness, that turbulence and everything. But man, once that candle formed right there, that erased all that premium burn, all that turbulence that you had to deal with. And you start seeing your stuff green like crazy. So proud of you guys that executed that play and was able to get in there and make some money. Shout out to y'all. Happy for you. It's a good feeling to know that people's out there grinding and they making money. I am so happy. Guys, if you are a bear tomorrow, you need SPY to get back to 557.85. They can start pulling this thing back down to 555.75 and start coming back down to lower levels, 553.90. With SPY, we'll handle in real time when it happens. I'll be right there grinding with you guys and calling out these shots. If you are a bull, you want to see them stay exactly where they at, if not open higher in pre-market. You want to see 560.30 taken out. If they can take out 560.30, they can start running to the higher stuff. We need them to open where they are at right now or higher. They can do that. Boom. We gonna see some rockets tomorrow. But hey guys, I done took enough of your time, but if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into our Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.